Alibaba launched Qwen3.8-Max as a new bar for coding and cowork. Grok's Imagine Video 1.5 gained text-to-video and native 1080p. We look at what might be the best Claude Opus 5 game so far, and Figure's F.03 robot can now climb a ladder on its own. Let's get into today's AI news. Alibaba has launched Qwen3.8-Max, positioning it as a new bar for coding and collaborative work. The model is aimed squarely at developers and teams working together on real projects, not just isolated coding benchmarks. And Alibaba is pitching it as strong enough to handle both individual coding sessions and larger team workflows without switching tools. Alibaba has been shipping the Qwen line at a rapid pace, and each release has been closing the gap with the leading Western labs a little further, particularly on coding tasks. And this seems to be another big step forward, a genuinely strong coding and co-work model heaping more and more pressure on the frontier labs. xAI's Grok Imagine Video 1.5 launched last month as their best video model yet, and it has now gained text-to-video support, image and voice references, and native 1080p output. Previously, you needed a starting image to animate into a clip. Now you can generate video directly from a text prompt alone, no reference image required. The addition of voice references means generated characters can carry a consistent voice across a clip, not just a consistent look, which matters a lot once you're stringing several shots together into something that actually feels like one piece. Developer Rishi has built modern Claudefare, a full first-person shooter built entirely with Claude Opus 5 running in high mode, using techniques from Matt Schumer's Gauntlet Loop approach. The project runs to 84,100 lines of code and includes remade versions of 4 classic multiplayer maps, playable solo or with others online. Building an entire shooter, complete with multiple maps and multiplayer support, almost entirely through an AI coding session, keeps pushing the ceiling on what one person can realistically ship alone without a studio or a team behind them. Figure's F.03 robot can now climb a ladder fully autonomously, according to Figure CEO Brett Adcock. Ladders are an awkward physical challenge for any legged or wheeled robot, needing precise foot and hand placement, real-time balance correction, and enough strength to pull the whole body upward rung by rung without slipping. Getting through one without any human guidance is a solid marker of progress for a robot meant to work in real environments like warehouses or construction sites, where ladders show up constantly and stairs simply aren't always an option.